Welcome everyone. I'm Priyanka and the story which we are going to study today is Bholi, written by K.A. Abbas. In this story, we are going to see how parents' opinion of their kids affects their children's life. First of all, introduction of the story. Bholi is a story written by K.A. Abbas. The story revolves around a girl who, due to accidental fall and disease in her childhood, faces the problem of being dull and ugly. She is always a target by everyone for not being good looking and intelligent. Her life turns when she joins a nearby school where her teacher encourages her and helps her to become a learned and confident person. Later in the story, circumstances arise when Boli has to give acceptance to the marriage with an unequal match but rejects it when she sees her father pleading to the bridegroom when he demands more dowry. The story shows the rise of a girl against social injustice. Now comes the story. The story opens up with the introduction of a little girl named Sulekha. She was called Bholi for being a simpleton. This was so because some part of her brain had got damaged due to an injury during her childhood. She stammered and had pockmarks on her face which she got when she had contacted smallpox at the age of 2. She was a laughing stock for everyone. Her father, Ramlal, was a Nambadar. He had 3 sons and 4 daughters, Boli being the youngest of all. Ramlal was always worried about her as it seemed impossible to marry her with her having an ugly face and a dumb mind. One day, the Tehsildar visited their village to inaugurate a girls' primary school. He persuaded Ramlal, Boli's father, to send his daughter to school. Ramlal's wife suggested to send Boli to school. Although she was against sending girls to school because no boy would marry such a girl who was literate. In those days, it was not possible for the literate girls to get a match. She reasoned that as Boli had no chance of getting married, so she could go to school. The logic given by mother behind sending Boli to school was that she had no chance of getting married, so she could go to school. In the beginning, Boli was frightened to leave her house, but when, for the first time in her life, she was dressed up and her hair was washed in oil, she felt that she was going to visit a better place. In the school, she met a teacher who was very kind and polite to her. She encouraged her to study and speak with confidence. This filled hope in Boli and she began to go to school every day. Years passed and her village upgraded into a small town with some facilities like a cotton mill, a cinema, and a primary school being converted into secondary school. One day, Boli's parents decided to marry her to a lame old man who was a widower and was rich and had not demanded dowry. They thought it to be the best marriage proposal for their dumb daughter and fixed up her marriage. On the wedding day, the bridegroom arrived with a great pomp and show which filled Ramlal with joy. The groom discovered that Bholi had pockmarks and demanded dowry in return for marrying her. He demanded a sum of 5,000 rupees. Sum of 5,000 rupees was a huge amount in those days actually. Ramlal begged for mercy and even placed his turban in Bishambar, the groom's feet, but Bishambar Nath did not agree. Ramlal had to give the money in order to save both his family's honor and his daughter's marriage. Boli could not bear all this and refused to marry a greedy old man. People accused her of being shameless. The wedding party returned and marriage ceremony ended without Boli getting married. Her father was surrounded by grief and said that no one would now marry her and what would she do in future. To this, she replied that she would take care of her parents when they grew old. and would teach in her school. The teacher, who was quietly watching all this thing, felt proud of her decision. Now comes the theme of the story. The major theme of the story, Boli, is the impact of family on children. This is the thing which I was telling you earlier. Impact of family on children. Boli is a little girl who fails to develop self confidence. Why? Because everybody kept on repeating she can't do anything, she's useless, she's ugly. So she fails to develop self confidence because of her parents' attitude towards her. The story hints at why family support and emotional security are essential for proper child development. Family support keeps a very important place in a child's development and even emotional security as well. Also, disabled children must be given encouragement, love, and education like their normal counterparts. Hope you understood the story.